Hey, what's up everybody, Andrew here. Today we're looking at an air purifier from Mooka. This is the model M05 and it usually retails for $69.99. However, you can usually catch it on sale for roughly $40 to $45. And this one, they claim a high clean air delivery rate, 3-stage filtration system, low noise levels, child lock, and an optional light. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and see what we have inside the box. Right off the bat, we got our user manual giving you basic information here. Alright, let's put that aside and see what else. Let's take this top piece off. And there it is. You got the top section of the air purifier. Wow, this thing is very lightweight and small. Let me see. Look at this. Mooka claims this small compact air purifier can handle rooms up to 1,250 square feet. That's kind of insane, but we'll put that to the test in just a bit. On the top of the unit, you got a yellow sticker showing you a warning label here about the AC adapter being inside the unit. So we'll unbox it and show you step by step on how to get that. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove this tape here. And ladies and gentlemen, here goes the M05 from Mooka. This is an air purifier here that's small and compact. There goes your AC input adapter in the back. Your vents here on all 4 sides here. This is going to suck the air in from the side and then push it out from the top. Let's take a look here on the bottom. Here goes your lock. You slide it over to the left, pull it out. Here goes your filter here with your carbon. So there goes your AC adapter. Let's go ahead and pull this out and set it up here. You want to take all the plastic out of the cartridge. To set up your air purifier, remove all the plastic packaging off the filter, as well as that cardboard insert in the middle. To set up the unit, you're going to put the filter here towards the bottom. Make sure that white pull tab is facing the bottom. And then just line it up and boom, just like that. Then you're going to grab your cover. Make sure the tabs are lined up right there. And just put it in and then slide it to the right. Make sure it's secure. And just like that, plug in the AC adapter and you're ready to go. Let me go ahead and do the honors of removing this plastic protective cover here on the unit. Ah, that sounds good. This top section here, you got a section where you can put essential oils for aromatherapy. Aromatherapy and clean air makes it very soothing and relaxing. Let's see, let me show you how to open this cover. There goes the pad where you want to put your oil. Be careful how you open this as you can break it. You don't want to pull up right here, you'll break it. What you want to do is slide it up and then pull up. According to Consumer Reports, dust can be very harmful to your health. With an electron microscope and a chemical analysis, they have found heavy metal fragments, microbes, fungi, mold, and PFAS on the dust we're dealing with every day. Therefore, an air purifier has been highly recommended because when there's a lot of dust around us, it could also get inside us, which can also lead to many health problems like allergies, asthma, various cancers, reproductive problems, and other serious health problems. Next up, let's take a look at the basic controls here of this air purifier. First of all, you got your power button. Just simply press it once. And next up, you got your fan speed controls. You got 4 different modes. You got level 1, level 2, and the level 3, and then your sleep function mode, which lowers the decibels to around roughly 15 decibels. Let's go ahead and turn it back to the default. Next up, you got your sleep timer here. You got 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. Next up, you got your night light function. You can turn this on or off, or if you're in sleep mode function, it turns it off automatically. And you got your child lock here. That way to prevent any kind of kids playing with your settings. See, it locks it all right here. And to unlock it, simply hold down for 3 seconds. And then now you can access it. Our next test here is going to be a sound decibel meter. See how loud this unit gets. So right now we're at the default mode. Let's go to level 2. Level 2, you're going to creep up to roughly around 41, 42 decibels. Let's go to level 3, which is the max. And we're going to hit probably 52 decibels, give or take, almost 53. Oh, we did hit 53. So, and then you got your sleep mode. They claim 18 decibels, but I'm not seeing that. I'm seeing around 35, 36. So still a relatively quiet unit. Alright guys, let's go and wrap up this video review of the Mooka M05 Air Purifier. You can usually catch this on sale on Amazon for around $40 to $45. To replace the filter, simply unscrew this cover here, rotate it to the left, and then boom, you have access to the filter. Filter replacements average around $26 on Amazon, and they recommend replacing it every 3 months. This unit is mainly ideal for small to medium sized rooms. If you're going to put this in the living room or large sized bedrooms, make sure you move up to the bigger size, which will be more efficient at cleaning the air. Look at the filter element here. I've been using it for the past 3 days and the air does feel cleaner. It just feels more refreshing knowing that the air is getting purified, because usually there's a lot of dust in my room. To simply close this cover, just line up the pins here. You'll see the mark right there. Make sure that's lined up, and then you want to rotate to the right and wait for the click, and that's it. The only con I could really think about is maybe not having an air quality sensor, but that's kind of given its price point. You're not going to find that option on many of the lower end air purifiers in this class. To get those air quality sensor, you usually have to step up to over $100 or more. Overall, adding an air purifier to your home or office is the right step in the right direction in terms of overall health, eliminating bad odors, smells, toxic chemicals in the air, PFAS, other types of chemicals that can cause health problems like diabetes, asthma, and more. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching.